Hey guys, it's your girl Danielle, creator of Danny Did It, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how quickly and simple it is to remove a toilet. Whether you are replacing your wax ring due to some leaks or wanting to replace the flooring and you have to remove the toilet first, you're going to want to watch this video. Again, it's super simple and easy with the right tools. And of course, if Danny did it, you can too. Let's just hop right to the video. So you're going to find that there's a water supply line linked to the back of the toilet and somewhere along the wall, just like you see here. So you first want to make sure that you're turning that water hose all the way off. You're going to later disconnect it from the toilet bowl, but first you want to make sure that all of the water is drained from the inside of the toilet and the bowl. So you're going to give it a flush just like you're seeing me doing here, and then maybe another flush just to ensure that the water is out from the back of the toilet as well. You are going to need a shop vac to suck out the remaining water from the toilet, so make sure that you have that on standby. This should go without saying, but the shop vac can be used for a wet vac and a dry vac. So make sure that you have that filter removed before using it as a wet vac. So here you see I am just sucking out the water from the toilet seat and the back of the toilet bowl, making sure that you have all of the water removed before moving on to the next step. So once complete, it should look like this, no water in the bowl and in the top. You're going to use a pair of pliers to remove the bolts right here on the side of the toilet and the one located on the other side. Make sure you repeat this process on both sides of the toilet. If you find that the screw is turning with it, just grab another pair of pliers to hold on to the top and continue screwing. And now you're ready to remove that water line behind the toilet. Just make sure you have some rags handy because there is going to be just a little overspill of water once you disconnect that line. But once you've done that, you're complete and ready to remove the toilet. So I've already removed all of the water out of the toilet, the top. I removed the two bolts and then also disconnected the water line from the toilet. I can see that the toilet is rocking, so it is up pretty good. So we're just gonna go ahead and just lift up the toilet from the bolts and get it out of the way. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're hitting the bell notification so that you are notified anytime I post new videos. I love all things home improvement and DIY, and if Danny did it, you can too. So that's it, guys. Removing the toilet is just that simple. With the right tools, you'll be able to do that quick, fast, in a hurry without having to call a plumber. If you know somebody who is having the same issue and needs to know how to remove a toilet, make sure you share this video with them. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching to the end. I'm going to see y'all in my next video.